Today I have a Nissan Murano and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to open the hood so you can access all of the things underneath it, such as windshield washer fluid, oil, whatever you need to. That's under the hood. I'm going to show you how to get there. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting inside of my Nissan Murano. And what I do is I go ahead and make sure the vehicle is in park. I'm going to stop the engine. Some people actually like to go ahead and press the parking brake. All right, so I just did it just for the giggles. All right, so after I did that, I'm just going to open the door. And the reason why I open the door is so I can get to the hood pulley a little bit easier. So here is the hood pulley system that unlocks the first lock. I'm going to show you how to unlock the first lock and then the second lock for the hood so you can have access. So once I have the door open, I'm going to find this and I'm going to pull it towards me until I hear a click. Did you hear that click? I think you did. Ain't nobody messing with my click. And I am going to go ahead and walk around Kanye and then walk around to the front of the vehicle. And then once in the front of the vehicle, see it doesn't go up, right? And so I'm going to have to find this safety latch. You see this right here? I'm going to take my finger and push it to the left, and I'll show you. And the hood opens up. This is what I push to the left right here to access it, and it opens up just like that. And then when I'm done doing everything I need to under the hood, I'm just going to go right here and shut it. And that's how you open the hood in a Nissan Murano. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.